excited with the breakfast. Especially me. I love options today. This day was kind of sad. So now they have an amazing set of food and I can't wait to eat. Last day! Bye, Bohol! Hello, short. Short. Dali! our flight. That's why we checked out this around 12 noon. So since that time, we are at the beach, just waiting for our pickup for the flight. And I'm currently here at the lobby. And I'm currently here at the lobby, and I'm waiting for Fraz to finish his other restroom, and then we are going to shower, the public shower here nearby the pool. So we're gonna shower there because we don't have the room already for us to change and shower. So we're just going to shower there and then change in the lobby restroom, and yeah, wait for our transfer for the flight. That's the only plan. So we just enjoyed the afternoon, which was really great. Good thing that it is sunny again today, and we just went snorkeling, take so many photos and videos and underwater photos, and then yeah, here just snorkeling, and we ate. We had lunch at the beach, and had some shake, and that's that. We just basically enjoyed the rest of our stay here. I'm kind of sad that we're not gonna be here tomorrow, but tomorrow is my birthday, so I'm gonna be celebrating, and I'm gonna create another video for tomorrow. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do because now I celebrated ahead my birthday, so maybe I'm just gonna have maybe lunch or dinner with family, so we'll see. But I want it to be a really relaxed day because I just need that. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys later when friends finish in the restaurant. Final night here. We are at Labuan. We're waiting for our flight. Just here. I'm gonna try out this drink. Amazing by Kuya. Thank you.
On our final approach, and we will be landing in a few minutes. Please check that your seatbelts are securely fastened. Cabin crew passengers remain seated with your seatbelts securely fastened.
Arrived, and this is my first time here in this arrival area. I think because I'm always at this airport. So it's good. So now a lot of people are in our flight. So yeah, now we're going to wait for our car. We will grab because that's what we have here. So yeah. quite tired, and we're just going home now and rest. So thank you guys so much for joining me on this trip, and I really enjoyed this, and I hope that you enjoyed this video as well. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and let me know if you want to see more of this kind of travel videos, and I would be happy to create some more for you. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. And also, this is my last video before I turn to, or before I celebrate my birthday tomorrow. So I'm gonna be 1 year older, and it's gonna be an amazing ride. So this is a very special trip for me, and yeah, I really enjoyed it. I'll see you guys on my next video, where I'm going to be a year older already. I'll see you guys. Bye guys.